Project Manager vs Product Manager vs Program Manager. Key differences explained clearly. Introduction. Project Manager, Product Manager, Program Manager. These three roles sound almost identical, and that's where the confusion begins. Many professionals choose one of these roles without understanding what they actually do day to day. Later, they feel misaligned, stressed, or stuck. In this video, I'll clearly explain what each role really does, responsibilities and mindset skills required, career growth paths, and how to choose the right management role for you. Let's break it down in simple terms. The big picture difference. Here's the simplest way to understand these roles. A project manager focuses on delivery. A product manager focuses on value and vision. A program manager focuses on alignment across multiple projects. Think of it like building a city. Project manager builds a building, product manager decides what building to build and why, program manager ensures all buildings work together. Now let's look at each role in detail. 1. Project manager, the execution leader. A project manager is responsible for delivering a project on time, within scope, and within budget. Their daily responsibilities include planning project timelines, assigning tasks and resources, tracking progress, managing risks and issues, communicating with stakeholders. They ask questions like, are we on schedule? Are we within budget? What risks can delay delivery? Common tools and skills: MS Project, Jira, Asana. Scheduling and budgeting, risk management, communication and leadership. This role suits people who like structure and planning, are detail-oriented, enjoy execution and coordination. 2. Product manager, the vision owner. A product manager owns the product vision and strategy. Their goal is not just delivery, it's delivering the right product. Responsibilities include defining product vision and roadmap, understanding customer needs, prioritizing features, working with engineering, design, and marketing, measuring product success. They ask questions like, what problem are we solving? Who is the customer? What brings the most value? Common tools and skills: product roadmaps, user research, agile frameworks, analytics tools, stakeholder communication. This role is ideal for people who think strategically, enjoy decision making, like working close to customers. 3. Program manager, the big picture coordinator. A program manager manages multiple related projects that together achieve a larger business goal. They focus on strategic alignment, cross-team coordination, dependency management, risk across projects, long-term business impact. They think about how projects connect, organizational priorities, resource allocation, executive communication. Common tools and skills: portfolio management tools, advanced planning, leadership and influence, business strategy knowledge. This role suits people who think at organizational level, enjoy coordination at scale, want leadership roles. 4. Responsibility comparison, project manager, scope, time, cost, delivery. Product manager, vision, value, customer outcomes. Program manager, strategy, alignment, cross-project success. All three roles require leadership, but their focus is different. 5. Career growth and salary direction. Typical career paths: project manager to senior PM to program manager, product manager to senior product manager to head of product, program manager to portfolio manager to executive leadership. In general, product managers often earn higher due to business ownership. Program managers earn well due to complexity. Project managers have strong demand across industries. 6. Which role should you choose? Choose project manager if you like execution and timelines, enjoy organizing teams. Choose product manager if you like strategy and customer thinking, want product ownership. Choose program manager if you like big picture coordination, want senior leadership exposure. Titles don't matter as much as fit. Conclusion: great organizations need all three roles: execution, vision, alignment. Choose the role that matches how you think and work. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which role you're targeting: project, product, or program manager. See you in the next video.